Okay, so welcome everyone to this lecture of Oracle Database Administration. So today we are going to discuss just a 10-minute session, okay, where the softwares are and how to download the softwares and everything. I'll just show you a quick glance. So what you people have to do, quickly, go to your email IDs, check your drives, and download the softwares on your laptops. That's it. That is today's session. Okay, I'll show you where the softwares are located. Softwares are there in the Oracle DB classes software drive. I'll give access to this folder. I'll give access to this drive. Okay, so it will be with your Google Drive. When you open your Google Drive, what happens? You know everyone how to open a Google Drive, right? You have to click here and you have to click on Google Drive. When you click on Google Drive, what happens? To the left side, you have something called shared with me. Shared with me. If you click on shared with me, this folder will be visible for everyone. If you click on shared with me, this folder will be visible for everyone. So this is one software 11.1.0.6. Okay, please, 11.1.0.6, and this is one more software 11.2.0.3. Okay, and these are all the things which you have to download. See, this is Linux operating system. Okay, this is VMware, which I told you. VMware, you have to download VMware, you have to download Linux, you have to download Putty, you have to download VNC, you have to download WinSCP, you have to download serial keys. Serial keys is for licensing purpose. VMware license keys. Okay, VMware license keys, and download 11.1.0.6 and 11.2.0.3. So these are the complete softwares which you have to download. Please do not download, there is an option where you can actually click on software and you can click on download also. It will be zipped and downloaded. Please do not do it. Please download one by one after the other. Sometimes there might be a chance of corrupting. Everything might not be downloaded properly. So please download one after the other. Once Linux is completed, then download VMware. Once VMware is completed, then download Putty. Once Putty is downloaded, then download VNC. Once this is done, download the serial keys. Then WinSCP, download the WinSCP. And then download 11.1.0.6, then download 11.2.0.3, like that. Everyone clear about the softwares?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, clear about the softwares. Yes. Right. Now, one more concept I'll explain you today. The concept is Oracle softwares and its versions. Oracle softwares and its versions, which I will explain. So everyone knows the process, right? Everyone knows the process. What is the process? Process is, first we need to install VMware. First we need to install VMware. Okay, first we need to install VMware. Second, we need to install Linux. Third, we need to install Oracle software. Now VMware, if we install VMware and if there are any issues in the VMware, we don't care, because that is a VMware administrator job. That is not a database administrator job. And if we install Linux, and after the Linux installation, if there is any problem, people will contact Linux administrators, not Oracle administrators, Linux operating system, OS level administrators. So we don't care. If there is any issues with Oracle software after installation, if there is any issue with the Oracle database, people will contact Oracle database administrators. That we really care. But the beauty of the course, the beauty of you people learning the technical knowledge with me in the sense, like when I am teaching, okay, you joined this course. The beauty of this course is you will completely learn Oracle database administration. You will completely learn Linux operating system administration. You will also learn VMware administration. Generally, Linux administration, VMware administration, this is not the course actually. This is not the course. But I am making you people to learn Linux administration and VMware administration also, so that at the time of practice, do we have Linux administrator here? At the time of practice, if any issue comes in the Linux, do you call some Linux administrator and ask for help? No, right? Understand what I'm talking, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So we only should behave like Linux administrators. We only should behave like VMware administrators. We only should behave like Oracle database administrators. We are all in one. So you will be learning all in one. And we will also behave like network administrators also. Sometimes we will also behave like network administrators. because if there is any network problems, we'll deal with the network administrations also, like IP address setting and everything. Okay, understood everyone what I'm talking? అర్థమవుతుందా నేను చెప్పేది?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
సో దీనివల్ల మీకు వాట్ ఈస్ ద అడ్వాంటేజ్ మీరు VMware, మీకు VMware నేర్పిస్తున్నా, మీకు లైనెక్స్ నేర్పిస్తున్నా, మీకు ఒరాకిల్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ నేర్పిస్తున్నా. యాక్చువల్గా వీఆర్ ఒరాకిల్ DBS నేర్చుకోవాల్సింది ఓన్లీ ఒరాకిల్ గురించి నేర్చుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. బట్ ఇవన్నీ ఎందుకు నేర్పిస్తున్నా తెలుసా? నేను లైనెక్స్ కూడా మీతోనే ఇన్స్టాల్ చేపిస్తా. జనరల్గా బయట ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్స్లో లైనెక్స్ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ చేపియరు మీతోటి, లైనెక్స్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ చేపియరు. ఎందుకు చేపియరు అని అంటే, డైరెక్ట్ మీరు లైనెక్స్ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ కూడా చేపిస్తుంటే కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారని చెప్పేసి లైనెక్స్ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ చేయకుండా డైరెక్ట్ ఆల్రెడీ ఒక సర్వర్ రెడీగా ఉందనుకో, ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూపిస్తావు. VMware ఓపెన్ చేసి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒక సర్వర్, దిస్ సర్వర్ ఈజ్ రెడీ. సో వాట్ దే విల్ డూ ఇస్ దీన్నే జిప్ చేసి ఇచ్చేస్తారు. సో దట్ జస్ట్ పవర్ ఆన్ చేసుకుని వాడుకోవచ్చు నువ్వు యాక్చువల్గా. బట్ ఐ విల్ నాట్ డూ లైక్ దట్. ఐ విల్ మేక్ యూ పీపుల్ డూ ఫ్రమ్ ద స్క్రాచ్ నుంచి చేపిస్తా మీతోటి. సో దట్స్ ద బ్యూటీ. మీకు ఫ్రమ్ ద స్క్రాచ్ నుంచి యూ పీపుల్ వాంట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద స్క్రాచ్, ఆర్ యూ పీపుల్ డైరెక్ట్లీ వాంట్ ఆల్రెడీ ప్రీ ఇన్స్టాల్డ్ సర్వర్స్ కావాలా మీకు?
From the scratch.
We want from start.
సో VMware మీతోనే ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ చేపిస్తా. లైనెక్స్ అండ్ నెట్వర్క్ కూడా మీతోటే ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ చేపిస్తా. ఒరాకిల్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఎలాగో మనమే చేయాలి కాబట్టి ఒరాకిల్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ విల్ ఇన్స్టాల్. దెన్ వీ విల్ క్రియేట్ ఎ డేటాబేస్. Now coming to the versions. VMware version మనకు అనవసరం. మనం VMware టీమ్ కాదు, వీఆర్ నాట్ VMware టీమ్. సో మనకు అనవసరం VMware version ఏదైనా కానీ. Linux version మనకు అనవసరం. We don't want, because Linux, we are not Linux administrators, so that's okay. But Oracle software version, yeah, we need, because Oracle software versions, you people have to know how many Oracle versions are there. నేను పుట్టినప్పుడు, నేను పెరిగినప్పుడు, నేను నేర్చుకున్నప్పుడు, when I started my career, I started with 9i. యాక్చువల్ అంతకు ముందు ఉన్నాయి 6i నుంచి స్టార్ట్. 6i, 7i, 8i. When I started my career, I started with 9i. Okay, in 9i also there are two options. So 9i, in 9i there are two options, like 9i release 1, 9i release 2. Okay, next comes 10g release 1, 10g release 2. Next comes 11g release 1, 11g release 2, right? Next comes 12c release 1, 12c release 2. Next comes 18c release 1, 18c release 2. 19c release 1, 19c release 2. Okay, సో ఇన్ని రిలీజెస్ ఉన్నాయి. నేను ఇక్కడ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేశాను నా కెరియర్. మై కెరియర్ స్టార్టెడ్ ఫ్రమ్ 9i. సో 9i రిలీజ్ 1 రిలీజ్ 2 అది అవుట్డేటెడ్ వర్షన్ అయిపోయింది. దట్స్ గాన్, అవుట్డేటెడ్ అయిపోయింది, పోయింది. సో మీరు దీని గురించి వరీ అవ్వాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. 10g రిలీజ్ 1 రిలీజ్ 2 అవుట్డేటెడ్ వర్షన్, గాన్, ఇట్ ఈస్ గాన్. సో డోంట్ వరీ అబౌట్ దిస్. 11g రిలీజ్ 1 రిలీజ్ 2 స్టిల్ నడుస్తున్నాయి, స్టిల్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్. సో హౌ దిస్ రిలీజ్ 1 అండ్ రిలీజ్ 2 విల్ బి దేర్, ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ. 11g రిలీజ్ 1 లో ఎన్ని వర్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 11g రిలీజ్ 1 ఇస్ ద వర్షన్. ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి 11g రిలీజ్ 1 లో? హౌ మెనీ సబ్ వర్షన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? It starts like this. Your Oracle software version is, if somebody is asking you, your Oracle software version is 11g release 1 anko, what is the version and adute? It comes like this: 11.1.0.1. Okay, 11.1.0.2, 1.0.3. Okay, and 11.1.0.4. okay, and 11.1.0.5. okay, 11.1.0.6, 11.1.0.7. In 11g release 1 there are seven subversions. And in 11g release 2, coming to 11g release 2, we have 11.2.0.1. okay, 11.2.0.2, 11.2.0.3, 11.2.0.4 అంతే అక్కడ ఉన్నాయి. నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ టు 12C రిలీజ్ 1, 12.1.0.1, 1. Okay, 12.1.0.2 and the 12.1.0.2. Next 12.2.0.1, 12.1.0.1, 12.2.0.1. Okay, next 12.2.0.2 అంతే. నెక్స్ట్ 18C వదిలేసేయండి. 19C కమింగ్ టు 19C 19.1, 19.2.19.1 డాట్ ఉంది, 19.2 డాట్ ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ 19C R3 రిలీజ్ 3 కూడా ఉంది. 19.3 డాట్ అనుకుంటా. 1 second. .3 dot, right? So 19.3, right? 3.0 dot అన్నీ అట్లా 0.1, 0.2, 0 అట్లా 0.0, 0.0 like that, right? Now which version we are starting our course? We are starting our course with 11.1.0.6. Everyone please repeat with me. Everyone please repeat the Oracle version that we are actually learning.
11.1.0.6.
Yes, 11.1.0.6. So slowly the course will be progressing. When the course is progressing, what we will do, we will upgrade the Oracle database. We will upgrade with 1 version. From 11.1.0.6 we will upgrade to 11.2.0.3. Okay, and then slowly we'll upgrade to 19.3.0. So in 19C what we will do, which module we will cover? 19C is we'll cover this 19C in rack. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah, so in 19C what we will do is 19C will deal with 19C on rack, and rack we will deal with 19C. Okay, so in core DBA and DR we will deal with 11.1.0.6 and 11.2.0.3, and we'll go till 19C. We will go till 19C. In 19C we will deal with the rack. So the first database creation, what we have to do, first we have to install the Oracle software. First we have to install VMware, then we have to install Linux with a proper IP address network. Then we have to install Oracle software. Then Oracle software version we will install is 11.1.0.6, and we'll create a database. Everyone understood today's till this session? I mean till this concept?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Great. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to segregate all your email IDs. So I will I have all your contacts, so I will segregate all the email IDs. I'll prepare a list of email IDs, and then I'll give the access to the software. So once I give the access to the software, I will ping in the group that the access is provided. So once you get the access, what you people have to do, as I told you, I'm reminding or recalling once again, individually download. Please do not download like this. Individually download, individually. Okay, individually meaning one by one, one after the other, one after the other, one after the other, one after the other, like that. People generally what they are doing is that downloading everything like this. It is zipping, it is coming in a zipped file, and when they're unzipping, some softwares are getting corrupted, is what I heard from the previous batches. So just do a right click, one by one, you download it, keep it with you people. I will explain you how to install VMware, how to install Linux, how to install Oracle software, or else if you people are okay, I will give you the recording link. So already Linux installation recording is there. If you want, I will give the recording. If you people want to listen to the recording, and if you people want to give a try how to install Linux on our machines, If you want to give a try, you can give a try. Or else if you want me to explain, I'll explain you in the next class. Your decision. Today, without wasting time, if you get the softwares, this is the Linux software. See, this is Enterprise R4U i386 DVD. This is the Linux software. If you want, I will give the video. You can look at the video of Linux installation. You can complete the Linux installation today. And Naveen is also available, your mentor, to help you people. Decision is yours. You want the video, guys?
Yes, sir. Please share the video as well. We will try. Wow.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Then please go ahead. I'm giving the video. Please download the softwares and start working on the installation part today. So by tomorrow, if you people are ready with the Linux installation is completed by tomorrow, I will start the Oracle software installation. Everyone clear? Clear about today's session?
Okay, sir. Sure.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
I will provide access to
Yes,
all
sir.
your email IDs. I'll provide access to all your email IDs. Now the time is 4:30. By 5 o'clock. By 5 o'clock, all your email IDs access will be provided, and you can start downloading the softwares and you can start working on the Linux installation. I will also share 2 contact numbers in the group, Soumya and Naveen. They both are mentors, lab coordinators for your batch. Okay. If you have any questions, you can call them and contact them. Okay. If both of the guys are not working not available, you people can reach out to me. No problem. Okay. Understand, everyone?
Okay, sir. Understood.
Okay. Now Q&A session. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Feel free to ask me. I'll be very happy to answer. Other than that, I have nothing to share with today. Thank you so much, everyone.